How to add description to your YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up again with another quick and easy tutorial video on how to add description to your YouTube channel. Start by opening your YouTube app. In the main interface, locate and click on the profile icon below. After clicking on the profile icon, you will be directed to a page where you can see View Channel option right below your name. Click on it to go to another page displaying the details of your YouTube channel. Look for the pencil icon next to the description section. Click on it to enter the editing mode. Now you are in the space where you can write your channel description. Provide a comprehensive overview including your channel's purpose, the type of content you create, and what viewers can expect. Once you have finished writing your description, click on the Save button to save your changes. This is how you can effectively add or modify your channel description. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.